Yorba Linda Water District is conducting a training exercise testing the new Heli-Hydrant that we have installed at one of our reservoir locations in Yorba Linda. It's a windy day, extremely windy, gusts well over 40 miles per hour. You see the helicopter was approaching the Heli-Hydrant, and the helicopter pilot can remotely trigger the activation mechanism on the Heli-Hydrant to allow it to automatically start filling with water. You see the water is going in now. The water volume starts out at a very slow rate so that we don't cause any damage to the distribution system. The speed of flow will increase greatly in the middle period, and then towards the end of the filling point, the water slows back down again by the clay valves so that it doesn't cause any stress on the distribution system and cause any main ruptures from water hammering. The tank fills very quickly. It's a 2,700 gallon tank, 12-foot diameter. Now you see it with about 3 feet of water in it, and the helicopter is approaching. It's got a snorkel extended. In the bottom of the helicopter, you'll see a belly tank. Those tanks range from anywhere from 350 gallons to 1,000 gallons capacity. The capacity is dictated by also how much fuel the helicopter is carrying at that moment. The more fuel, the less water it can take because of the overall weight of the fluids. So he's dipping the snorkel down into the Heli-Hydrant. As he's sucking water up through that snorkel into the belly tanks, the Heli-Hydrant is rapidly refilling at the same rate that he's extracting the water. So it always stays full and is ready for the next helicopter should there be multiple helicopters fighting the fire. So that snorkel is in that water, just sucking it up. He can start sucking up water after only 18 inches of water being filled inside the Heli-Hydrant, but he already had well over 3 feet. So now he's got the water sucked up into that belly tank, and he's off to fight the fire. In this particular case, he only put about 175 gallons of water in that tank, having full fuel tanks. So now he's approaching the fire, and you're going to see him do a drop of the water over top of the fire. And there it is. The door's open, the water comes out, and in a typical run, there'll be twice that amount of water coming out.